Yeah.
Check this one.
This one?
Yeah.
This one is 16 volts, but only 470 microfarads. We needed 1,000.
I think this is it. This is the tiny
What
one.
type of cross did you want?
Regular.
Here's one.
See if we can't get this set up. All right. Oh, look at that. All right. What we got?
This one.
This one here was the 16 by 470. All right. Well, we found this one. Which one was this one? We found the 35 by 1,000. So look, now we can solder it in. Oh, that one looks big. What is this one? That could take up to 25 volts and then it'll fill up to 2,200 microfarads.
Gosh.
Yeah, it's like a lot. And that's going to help stabilize all these circuits and make everything happy. Hopefully.
Dad, what is this? Oh, I know. It's a TV.
It is a TV.
Are you going to give this too?
Yeah, it's for Mimi.
It's so cool.
So,
Oh, Dad,
what?
come here.
Let me see.
Look. What? Look at this.
That's for the stand, I know, right?
Yeah. Look at this.
All right.
Can I film you that?
Yeah. Here, let me get some diagonal side cutters here. You can help me cut it. Here, hop up.
Can I have that one?
Yes. Let's see if we can get us a better view here. Oh, I see us. We've never done this before.
Yeah.
We got it. Now we have a video. Okay.
My shirt's up.
All right. Which pliers you want?
That one.
This one right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
What are we going to do?
All right. See these two right here? We just soldered in. And I use this one right here. Try this one. Because if you use this one, you can cut it right there and it'll come off. Here, squeeze that. Ew, tight. Oh, you did it. All right. And then this guy right here. You can squeeze on this guy. Make him stand up. Wait, come all the way right here. Squeeze tight right there.
Anything else you wanted? Did you want dessert?
What do they got?
Wait, I'm doing on
dessert
top.
soda? I forgot.
Oh, no, what? Try and flip them like this. And then look, you can kind of, you can.
Cinnabons.
I'm
It's up to
helping
you.
Daddy.
I'm good.
You good? Okay, I guess that's good.
And then watch, angle it, watch this. See what we're going for? Right there in the corner.
Yeah, sure.
All right, now squeeze it tight.
I need help.
Okay. Yeah. And then,
Can you do the rest?
yeah, I'll get a little bit of this. There we go.
Okay.
All right. Now we can put this back in and see if,
Actually,
Look,
did you
glue
say it's
everywhere.
lunchtime?
yeah, thermo glue. Huh?
Yeah.
He's home tomorrow.
It is a home game
Wait, home game tomorrow? Oh, tomorrow's Sunday. Oh. Did we play? We played on Thursday.
next week. Okay. Yeah, that'll be good. I was like, well, let me get for the kid extra wings. But yeah, that's actually, what is it? The
Turn
next
this
one up?
off.
I'm so sorry. 16, and what's the next one?
All right.
Just do the 24 piece.
Now, close this guy up. What you think?
Breaking the glue.
Breaking the
Do
glue?
you have a card or cash?
It's cash.
We'll do cash.
All right. Now,
Perfect.
there's a
Just
couple
open
guys
it
that were a
up.
little suspect, but since we found a bad capacitor, let's just test it, see what happens.
Oh my gosh, look, something's stuck.
Because that's just like a little old. It doesn't really look too bad.
Guess what?
Hmm.
Can you get the other one?
Yeah. Oh, wait. I need another meter.
Guess what? The other one
We're just testing this.
has something so cool.
It's like something. I just got the 24-piece wings
Wow.
with the bone out.
Nice.
Because I figured if you did that, you could use it to make chicken salad or sandwich
Or eat them as is.
Because he's all, huh?
Or eat them as is, the wings.
Yeah, eat him as is. We're all home until Tuesday. So Ethan can have some chicken wings. And I got extra ranch since we don't have any here.
I'm not a big
Hopefully
fan.
it's not. Oh, well.
We're good then. Because usually the ranches are a little different too.
I love. Did you put that feather there, Ethan?
What feather?
This feather. Or is that just a coincidence?
It's just a coincidence.
Mm-hmm.
Can I see?
He's been. Oh, you know what he keeps doing? The panel for the refrigerator. Or the freezer.
That
rather.
number. What's that?
The panel for the refrigerator.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna test some of those components here in a
Where's
little
the
bit.
stools?
Right here.
Here, Ethan.
All right.
No. I want this one.
You want that? But it's just so short. This will put you at the same height as Daddy.
No, Daddy's this many.
You want to give Daddy the tall? Well, Daddy's got to work, but here you go. Wait,
Dad,
watch it.
excuse me.
All right. Yeah. Look, we're gonna plug this guy in like that.
This is a great height. I think we should keep a stool for Ethan.
All right.
Let's leave it like this forever.
Okay.
And
All right.
don't break anything.
All right. So we had this wire here, so we plugged it back in. We had that wire there, plug that back in. Now we put a couple screws in, and test it, see if it comes on.
Okay. Can I have the red one?
Yes.
Where?
Where or what?
Where can we put this?
Well, when we put some power to it, we'll be able to start tracking where we lose voltage. If it still doesn't work. Board screws. Look, this is the only one right here.
What can we do with
What's
that?
that? You could take this guy.
Can I do that?
Yes.
My favorite guy. How can I put it?
Alright, so you see right here? Wait.
Yeah?
Oh, I hope this works. Alright, that's enough. We don't want to strip it out. But when we put it back together, you'll be able to use that guy. A lot. Okay. No more proof for us. What's that? What?
I have to go to Clinton, Louisiana.
Oh, Clinton. Okay, I did hear Clinton. What? 9/11.
Yes, which I think is also the same date that the Breaking Bad movie.
Wait, watch that. Oh.
Did you hear about that?
Uh-oh. You heard a little charging.
There's a Breaking Bad movie.
Oh, okay. Nice.
You need something to help hold it up?
No, don't get it to me.
Where's the power button? Oh, here it is. Got a little green light. Did we get lucky?
What would it take to install, like,
Hey, TV works again. All right.
would that mess stuff up if we put AC vents in here?
I think we get a mini split. And all right, that fixed it, dude. High five. Good job. High five. Nice.
Great job.
All right.
This one.
So here on our mat, let's see here.
Hey, Dad.
Untape all of our screws because we couldn't find
Guess
our little
what,
magnet,
Dad?
guys.
Dad,
What?
just show your phone at me. Watch this.
All right. 1 second. Oh no!
Go do to you.
Oh, yeah, I'm getting.
Good. Yeah. Guess what, Dad? Look what I'm doing.
I know. Now watch this. What you can do with it. I'm gonna take. Well, let me get a set for you.
Me. It turned down. Oh no, bad guy. Turn it down.
What's that? Towel?
Yeah.
No, don't do there. You can hurt it. You don't want to do that. Mess with the sound. You only put that on a on the screws. Or else you run down the battery. But lucky for you, we live in a world where batteries are much better than they used to be. For you to do stuff like that. Alright.
You do it.
You do it. Watch. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to set it up. Pull the trigger. Oh, that's it. Saw that? Wait. Let go. I do that. Stop. Alright. You felt that? That's how you do that. Stop. There we go. Stop. Alright. You want to anticipate that? Watch this. We'll set it. And this time, this is the tricky one. Alright. Watch this. We're going to pulse it like this. See that? And we can tell exactly where it needs to stop. Alright. There's nothing worse than stripped screws. Alright. And these screws, alright, perfect. Aren't the greatest. They're definitely made overseas.
Oh my
So,
gosh.
knowing that, you have to know how to deal with your materials.
That's so big.
Yeah. So we'll come back on with our
Oh my gosh. Guess what?
Let's start with her. What's that?
Mimi has my favorite things I like.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Let's go now, Dad.
Alright, we gotta do the outside screws. Check these out. You wanna come help me with these? Huh? We're now putting on the outside screws.
Have a house for me.
Yeah, here.
Hey, I wanted that too.
Uh-huh. Thought something would get you back over
Can
here.
I have that one?
Yeah, watch. Come follow me. I'm coming right back to you. Right over here.
I want to do those.
Here, I am. I'm gonna set them up. Are you gonna pull the trigger? Pull the trigger. Do it again. Alright.
Dad, I'm looking at something.
What's that?
I'm looking at something.
And what are you looking at?
At the instructions.
The instructions. What are those instructions telling you?
Look.
What? Ah, screws.
And guess what, Dad?
What? And a base.
Beep,
'Cause
beep,
Ethan's all about that base.
and plug.
4 more. And done.
Dad. What's this, Dad? Dad, I see you. I see you, Dad. Wait, you got me.
Feet. Hold this up for me. And break the tape. Good job.
Guess what, Dad?
What?
Watch this.
Why'd you do that?
Ah! It's about to fall into there.
It's about to fall into there.
Look at this, Dad. It's not falling. And
Nice. Alright. Here, straighten it out for me. That wasn't the right hole. Where'd it go? There it is.
Hey.
Oh.
Oh, 2 more. 2 more big ones. Can I do them?
Yes, you can.
Can I put it on?
Yes. Yes, you can.
Oh! Oh my gosh.
So, now this time try to put the screw right into the hole first. Can you turn it by your hand?
Wait. Oh,
I'll get it.
no, I will get it for you.
Oh, thanks, man. Here's the second one. Oh. See if you can spin them. Start seeing if you can throw them in.
Is this the right way?
Yeah. Gotta get to this way, yeah.
Dad, I need that.
You gotta make sure it's into the threads though. See if you just hit it like that, it might not be in the right spot. So you have to make sure it's in the right spot first, okay?
Okay.
Good job. Let me see. Okay.
Are we done?
Yes, we are. Good job, dude. High five.
Guess what? Watch this. Yeah.
Yeah.
A little bit of Oh my
We're
God.
not done. You didn't push them all the way. You trickster. Alright.
Get over it. No, pull it. I'll push it this time.
So what happened? Why did it stay on?
Because I didn't push it.
What do you mean by push it? How far did you have to push it?
I didn't. No.
No, how far? I don't know. You gotta tell me.
Can you help me?
Yeah. Oh, the light gray covers the dark gray.
Yeah.
And then look, you can see like a big long hole down it now.
Dad, you wouldn't do that.
Here. What if you put one in
Oh,
there?
yeah. Oh.
And then try this one. Oh, it doesn't stick out as far. It's a lot closer to where it's supposed to be, huh?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, look. See how these two are, they're a lot closer now too, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. We should have looked at that the first time, huh?
Yeah.
There you go. And then once that was in reverse, so we push the button this way, and it goes forward. See how it turns that way? Nice.
Somebody hold it.
You can use 2 hands if you want to. dude. Have you done this before?
Yeah. I did this on my TV before.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, when I was still big.
Good job. Those all sounded really good. Let me check them. Those all sounded real good. Oh, yeah.
I'm doing the rest for you.
Yeah. That was really good.
I already did the rest for I did this.
Now let's see if it'll stay on. All right.
Yeah!
Well, I don't know. Gotta be that tester. Yeah, you pick it up. All right. Now let's see if we put the power on. What happens if we put the power on, dude?
You have to see TV all day when we get to there. Dad?
Oh, did you hear that?
Yeah?
That was some capacitors lighting up.
Wait, Dad.
You want to hit the button?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. Ethan working on them TVs. Oh, yeah. See, oh, it turned green. It went from red to green. And then even over here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Working now.
Oh, look at that. Whole screen right off the bat. Good job, dude.
Yeah. Ow. Now can
Well.
we go?
That was the TV.
Now can we go?
See y'all next time.